In this video I will be building the Avant Xelero 5F with Proton X motors, 2206 2450 kV, Icon 32-bit 35 amp ESCs and a Matek F4 flight controller PDB combo. I will also be using a Foxeer camera and a Tramp HV Video TX. After assembling the frame, the first thing I will do is install the PDB. The screws that come with the frame are a tad too long, so I placed washers underneath the bottom plate. I'll be routing the pigtail through the side. I will use a zip tie later on to secure these wires onto the standoff to prevent ripping off the pads on the PDB. Now I will be doing the FPV system. I will start with installing the Tramp HV Video TX. I will be using the little plate that comes with the frame. If you want to mount your antenna differently, feel free to do so. There are plenty of holes in the top plate to mount your antenna. The VTX will go at the back underneath the pads of the PDB. First step in mounting the camera will be installing the braces on the side. Do not tighten the braces completely, because otherwise they won't fit easily into the frame. That's the FPV system installed. Now I will wire up the ESCs. Since I am not gonna use the second ground wire, I will use it as the telemetry wire. so I'm gonna swap those over. That's one ESC installed, now I will do the rest. Now I will be installing the motors. If you want to, you can use these motor arm protectors. That's one motor done, now I will do the rest. The motors are in, so now it's time to install the flight controller. Now it's time to mount the receiver. I will be mounting it to the bottom of the top plate, and the antenna will go in this 3D printed antenna mount. So that's everything installed. It's time to plug it in. Hopefully I don't see any smoke. So we're back at it. I kept having brownouts, and I think it's the 5V back on the PDB that's faulty, so I placed a separate 3M back in series. Trying to figure that out definitely took a few hours. Now we're gonna install the LEDs. So now I will finish up the rest and then it's ready to fly.